In this video, we are unboxing and replacing the AC compressor for Ford Explorer 2015. The Ford Explorer compressor. The following are the tools used for replacing the AC compressor. Large adjustable wrench. Medium ratcheting wrench. 13mm quick wrench. Small slider bar. Small 5mm short socket. Medium 13mm long socket. Use the AC manifold gauge to discharge the refrigerant, evacuate and pressurize. Open the hood. Prop the hood open with the support rod. Use the AC manifold gauge set to discharge the refrigerant from the lines on the right side of the engine bay. At the higher point, we will find the pressure port. Remove the protective cap. Install the blue gauge hose. Next to the coolant reservoir, we will find the high pressure port. Remove the protective cap. Install the red gauge hose. Open the valve on the gauge set. Open the low pressure valve as well. Open both valves on the manifold gauge set. Discharge the refrigerant from the system. Follow local laws and regulations for recovering or discharging refrigerant. Wait for the pressure goes zero on both the high and low pressure gauges. Once both gauges go zero, remove the gauge hoses. Remove both hoses. Using the large adjustable wrench, release the serpentine belt tensioner. Use the adjustable wrench to release tension on the tensioner. Remove the belt. After the belt is removed, lift the vehicle. Unplug the compressor clutch electrical connector. Remove the wiring harness retainer clip. Set the harness aside. Using the medium 13mm long socket with the medium ratcheting wrench, remove the high and low pressure line retaining nuts. Remove the nuts. Remove the low pressure line. Using the same tools, remove the high pressure line retaining bolt. Remove the high pressure line retaining nut. Remove the high pressure line. Set it aside. Using the 13mm quick wrench, loosen the lower compressor retaining nut. Remove the nut. Using the small 5mm socket with the small slider bar, remove the lower double-ended stud bolt. Completely unscrew the stud bolt threads. Using the same tool, remove the other retaining stud bolt. Remove the stud bolt. Using the medium 13mm long socket with the medium ratcheting wrench, loosen the upper compressor retaining bolt. Remove the bolt. Remove the compressor. Here is the comparison of old versus new compressor. The old compressor failed internally, causing low pressure and the AC not blowing cold, so we are replacing it with a brand new compressor. Before installation, we need to first remove the dowel pin from the old one. Use the hose clamp pliers to remove the dowel pin. Install it onto the new compressor. Remove the lower stud bolt from the old compressor. Install it onto the new compressor. Here is what looks like after installing the compressor. Install the new compressor. Install the remaining compressor retaining bolts. Tighten the lower double-ended stud bolt. Using the small 5mm hex socket with the small slider bar, tighten the lower double-ended stud bolt on the compressor. Install the lower compressor retaining nut. Using the 13mm quick wrench, tighten the two lower compressor retaining nuts. Using the 13mm long socket, with the medium ratcheting wrench, tighten the upper compressor retaining bolt. Remove the cap from the high-pressure fitting. Remove the nut. Remove the plug. Install the high-pressure fitting. Before installing, make sure the O-ring is free of debris. Install the low-pressure line into position. Install the retaining nut. Using the medium 13mm long socket with the medium ratcheting wrench, tighten the high-pressure line retaining nut. Remove the cap and nut from the low-pressure line. Remove the nut. Remove the plug. Install the low-pressure line. Before installation, make sure the O-ring is free of debris. Install the line. Install the retaining nut. Use the same tool for the high-pressure line installation. Plug in the compressor clutch electrical connector. Lower the vehicle. Using the large adjustable wrench, release the tensioner. Install the belt. After releasing the tensioner and install the belt, after installation is complete, complete the pressure test on the AC lines for leaks. Evacuate the system and recharge with refrigerant. After recharging with refrigerant, install the protective caps on the service ports. Remove the hood support rod. Close the hood.